Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Hawk Academy, and today I discuss about the most important Excel function. This function is average, AVERAGEA, AVERAGEIF and AVERAGEIFS. Let's break down what each of this does and how you can use them to work smarter, not harder. Okay, first we talk about average function. This is one of the most commonly used function in Excel. It calculates the average of set of number. Okay, here you see that average. Okay, you see that return the average arithmetic mean of its argument, which can be number or name, array or reference that contain number. Okay, it means that average only cover number without any text. Okay, here you see that, and average cover this number 49.5. and now AVERAGEA. Okay, AVERAGEA. This function is similar to average, but it's a bit different. AVERAGEA include text value and logical value. Let's see. Here you see that this value and cover and close bracket, enter. You see that there is difference, and this is lower, this is upper. Why? Because of average cover only 12 number within 30 number. On the other hand, AVERAGEA cover this 30 number. That's why AVERAGEA are less than average value. Okay, next AVERAGEIF. This function is very important for Excel user. Okay, and this function lets you calculate the average of range based on a specific condition. Okay, here, and AVERAGEIF, you see that range, criteria and average range. Okay, and the range, here you see range and criteria. Which criteria we can calculate? We can calculate AVERAGEA. Okay, and now average range. Okay, and here average range. Okay, close bracket and enter. You see that 42 the average value. Here AVERAGEA. Okay, you see that, and AVERAGEA and AVERAGEA. Okay, 5. Okay, and the sum value 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, 210. Okay, the sum value are 210. Okay, here 5 count, and you see that 42. Okay, this is AVERAGEIF only for single function. And let's talk about AVERAGEIFS. This function is both bit more advanced because it allow for multiple criteria. Okay, if you need to average data based on more than one condition, and AVERAGEIFS is multiple condition. Okay, here you see that AVERAGEIFS. Okay, average range and criteria range and criteria. Okay, average range and criteria range. Okay, average range means this YouTube income. This is average range, which we can calculate for average. Okay, and average criteria. You see that average criteria and only single criteria. Okay, and we can close bracket, enter. Here you see that 42 are same. Okay, but the difference between average if and average ifs. Average if only calculate single and average ifs for multiple, and we can drop it down and you see that it's automatically count. But here is some problem. Okay, and you have to lock this cell with F4. Okay, you have to lock this cell F4, then you will get actual value, and here we can drop it and you see that okay, this function abra 42 and Belford 60 and pointer 44. Okay, and this is value, and you can prove this. Okay, bell sprout income, bell sprout 1 and bell sprout 2. Okay, 2 and 40 and 80. Okay, here you see that 40 and 80, 40 plus 80, okay, 120 total value and equal total count number. Okay, 60, you see that. And you also can prove ponta. Okay, ponta and here you see the 275 and 14, total 89 and divide by 2, you see that 44.5. okay, this is the actual difference between average, average A, and average if and average ifs. Hope that you understand very well, and please subscribe my channel Hawk Academy and stay tuned with me for your Excel learn.